Welcome to the East Bay Center for the Performing Arts online classes. My name is Ezra Bristow, and I am the dance instructor for the beginning Samba fusion dance class.
So I'm going to teach this quick combination to Drop It by Trinidadian soca artist named Bunji Garlin and American rap artist Busta Rhymes. All right, it's high energy, it's a lot of fun, and I'm sure you guys are really going to enjoy it, so check it out. The first movement starts as a jump. You cross your arms and you go open together. You're jumping to the right. Now it's fast. So 1, 2, then you're going to step forward on your right foot while pulling your left arm back. 3, your right hand opens up, arm goes straight out, and 4. So 3 and 4. Now that's right step, left step, center. From there, 5, 6. You step forward on the left. Your right arm goes out. You're going point. Then you pull. When you pull your right arm back, you're pulling your right foot forward. So you're just bringing your body together. All right? And this arm is up like a shield, palm flat, parallel to the ground, front, down. Okay? Now you're going to pull this back, 7 and 8. All right? Punch and punch. It's a twist. Twist and twist. Okay? Now you're going to swing with the left arm. Swing, step, and hit. Swing, step, and hit. Right hand, left hand, body roll. Now I'm going to do that to the side. Right hand, left hand, body roll. All right? Now, from the body roll, you're going to step over on the right, and your left hand's going to go over your head in a circle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So right foot, left foot. Now it's a wind. You'll be facing this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. But generally, I wind towards the right and step with my left foot. So wind towards the right. So that means that circle is moving clockwise. So clockwise. Clockwise as you step on a 1, 2, 3, 4. You sink into it. Because then that weight is going to be on the right foot, and you're going to go right, tap, left, tap, cross, and out. Now that's going to be a lot faster. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. From the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Punch and punch. Swing, tap, swing, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over on the right. Over on the left. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now you're going to hit the nay-nay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to go over with the right hand, and the right foot is going to go back. Pas de bourrée, drop and turn. Right foot, left foot, right kick back. That's called get him or run. It is a dance hall move. Just a pas de bourrée. 1 and 2, drop and twist. Right and left, then right and kick. Now you're going to go forward on the left. Left, pivot, left, right, left. Okay? Again, step on the left, pivot on the right foot, left, open up, right, down. You're going to open up to the right. Right foot step, left foot step, and punch. Now you're repeating the same movements. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. But this time you're going to isolate your chest as you're punching up. So without the arms. Out, in, step, out, in, step, out, in, step, out, in, add the arms. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Throw it up, hold, 3, and whoa. Last part. 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now this time you're winding towards, now I'm still going towards the right. It doesn't have to be the same way, but you're opening up, back towards the front. Okay? So that's the whole thing that we're going to work on for today. Let's try it from the top without the music, and then we'll run it with the music. All right, ready? From the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Body rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. How you guys feeling so far? Good? Now, I'm letting you know, this one is high energy, so bring that energy, okay?
Problem start! Bunji Garlin, Busta rhymes. Drop this, make girl bust a wine. Any girl walk, come join the line. Big put it on them one time. Murder. Tell a little friend, they whining hard, we go wine on them. And make them ball on loud. Drop it to the ground, 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 drop it to the ground like hey, 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 to the ground like hey, 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 to the ground now. Hi, girl.
How you guys feeling? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'm a little out of breath, as you can see, so hopefully you guys are able to break a sweat as well. This is part of my Soca Fit combinations, where the idea is to train you to build stamina and endurance as if you were getting ready to mosh up the road on Carnival. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace.